Hey guys, today I want to show you how to create an agent using x402 as a payment. But the important thing here is that we are not going to be coding everything by hand. The idea of this project is that you are going to be creating a full agent using x402 in under 10 minutes using Cloud Code and the NPX skill. Alright, so there's a skill to use x402 on stacks. It's pretty easy to create something, and if you're competing on the hackathon, this is the video for you. Remember, we have an x402 stacks bounty, so this is your opportunity to create something you wanted to do. So today we're gonna see how using x402, Cloud Code, and the skill, how we can create an agent super fast. Alright, so let me show you how this is how we can do this. So I'm gonna create a new folder. Let's say like agent, like an agent. We are gonna have an agent who's capable of creating some jokes and get paid for those jokes using x402. Okay, so I'm gonna create this folder, and the name of the folder is going to be agent joke. So I'm gonna get into the folder, and now it's super easy. The first thing that we need to do is to install the skill. All right, x402 on stacks, it has a skill, so it's pretty easy to install it. Just we're gonna use npx skills. This one wasn't sorry, npx skills, and we are gonna add the x402 one. All right, so we need to add this skill into our project so Cloud Code knows how to create the actions. Right, so I'm gonna install it for Cloud Code, and I'm gonna install it for the project, symlink, and ready. So here we have it. All right, perfect, everything was installed, and now as we can see we have these skills. So now pretty easily we're gonna use Cloud Code. Obviously, remember, dangerous skip permissions because we are using we are vibe coding. Okay, so we have our project, and it's gonna be super easy. I'm just gonna ask using x402 skill and using the Gemini API. I want to create a basic endpoint where users can pay for a specific joke topic, and that's it. All right, why Gemini? Because everybody can have a free API of Gemini. So if you want to go and test this, go and get your free API key. So that's why. So I'm gonna prompt this, and it's going to be super easy. Right now, as we can see here, it's loading the skill. So now with the skill load, it's gonna make some clarified questions if needed. And let's wait a little bit. All right, so so here we have for the Gemini API, which approach generative AI. Yeah, generative AI SDK. It's gonna be super fast and super easy to do this. All right, yeah, query parameters, topic cats, URL bottoms. Yeah, one. All right. All right, yeah, it looks pretty good actually. Let's do it. Yes, here. Okay, and perfect. Now it's creating everything. It's going to take a few minutes, maybe a couple of minutes for Claude to get all this done. Let's wait a little bit. But as you can see, it's super easy to create an agent using x402 to get paid for this one. And let's see, it's creating the server, it's creating the config, and it's using TypeScript because remember, the x402 stacks SDK right now it's only available on TypeScript, but it works. So here we have it. It's cooking right now. How to run it, clean up. Okay, perfect. So right now we have the code. So I'm gonna open a new on the right. I'm gonna open this, and we are gonna see that we have many different files created here, and I'm gonna just open pretty quickly the cat one, the client one. I'm gonna use cat client yes, and as we can see here, we have our client trying to get the x402, I mean the jokes, and using x402. So it's gonna get the private key, gonna create an account, and gonna pay for this. And the only thing that we need to do, as we can see here, is that we need to set up our environment variables. All right, and we only, for x402, we only need a few ones. All right, so we need the Gemini one, we need the server address. The server address is an env variable where you're gonna get paid. So you, as a developer of the agent, you need an Stacks wallet where you're gonna get the payments of your agent. So you need that address, and also we have the private key. The private key is for the client, the other agent who's gonna consume the agent, who has x402 as a paywall, to pay for that. And that's it. With this, as you can see, 52 seconds, a couple of questions, and with that, we have the agent using x402. So that's pretty much it. Remember, use the skill. With this, it's going to be super fast. In less than 10 minutes, you're going to have an x402 agent ready for the hackathon. Just think of crazy ideas. That's what you need to do. Think of the ideas. All right? So, thank you guys.